Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for Horizen, ZEN USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. Guys, so this is updates, and this is a global chart. We'll analyze it even in bull run plan playlist. You remember that playlist from 2023 to 2024, where I post over then, I guess, 500 different tokens in playlist, the bull run plan. From the bottom to the realistic targets. And I guess we need to reduce for some tokens the targets or keep it real. So this is a chart since May 2017, and we are trade inside the best zone to buy, usually on a weekly time frame. You remember the bad news about the Horizen being in Binance monitoring tag list. It's some risky token which can be the list from the Binance. After that, they remove the Horizen from that list, so everything okay. So they figure out, and we pumped to zero level and landed back from December 2024 inside accumulation zone again. Now we pump it. From $6, almost 100%. Yes, over than 100%. So from 624 to 1255, 100%. So if you accumulated at that bottom, congrats, you made the right decision. Now it's not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit. Here, how this zone and the level. So all zone, if you want to accumulate this token, it's okay for accumulation, but we can't know what will happen next with this token. We can't predict the potential listing, delisting, some updates, upgrades, hacks, partnership. We can't predict it. So we work only with the price action. And if you get a plan to accumulate this token based on price action, it's still good time to buy, because this was a test. Perfect. Tilpenny tested 27 level 5, 49, 17, 30. It's a zone of accumulation with the targets. So where are the targets, guys? Target, I think the end of this cycle for Horizen will be $106, $106.59 around here. So it's 0.5 level by FIB of this FIB. So from May 2021, once again confirmation. So in May, in spring 2021 was the end of cycle, not in November, October 2021. So this was the top correction, bounce, consolidation inside 27 blocks. So basically we spent a lot of time inside this block, so it's like a range. First time we spent it here 945 days and drop it back, so we are inside accumulation zone 1,246 days. Imagine the numbers. It's craziness, guys. Just the chop. So we wasted time and just a lot of altcoins in the same condition. That's why, guys, reduce your expectation. And if we compare the cycles, so here, for example, this was a COVID dump. We pump it that cycle 5,356%. If we count from this bottom, what do we get now? We can pump like 1,800% gains. And yes, almost 2,000% gains. I noticed, so a lot of time I found out, so the tokens pump like 50% of previous cycle. It's more than okay. Not all tokens, guys, hit the new all-time high this run. If you believe, of course, in new all-time high for Horizen, some magic will happen with this token here. $253 per token, it's new all-time high. I don't believe in these numbers. More than conservative price target, it is $100. It's $100 if we pass the $100. It's magic. It's a miracle happen. Everybody will start screaming. We go into the 200 to 500 and all of this nonsense stuff. That's why, guys, be careful with expectations. Now, what we can see based on indicator sets. So by FIB, by levels, global investment zone here, still okay. We saw the buyback signal on the monthly time frame, but we saw a lot of buyback signals. Pump, sell, drop. Here's what the buyback. No signals to sell. Daily, of course, we can see the bounce lower, but it's not necessary. Usually also, if it was at the bottom here, this was the bottom, if we already passed the bottom, because we can't know it was a bottom or not. So let's hide this FIB. we can bounce to close 50% of that drop. Usually it works like this one. So here, the 50% will be $26.19. Got it. So if you feel comfortable, guys, now based on investment plan, it's okay. Based on price action, based on some fundamental, we can't know what will be next for this token. Local zones, I count from that top. You know, we got like 2 fips here also. Drop, test 27 block, 261. Come back again to test the 27 block. I don't think so. We're gonna drop lower, but it's possible. It's possible, guys. Take a look. So let's hide even this also rectangle. Take a look the ADZ direction. ADZ, it's not from exchange. It's a global ticker crypto full chart. Direction here. What is good? What is bad? Trade on. I showed you. So market mood. This is disbelief. It's good. It's good time to accumulate. You can open the chart, track how it's playing out before when we trade in this belief area. Finally, we see the accumulation again. Last time when we saw this type of accumulation, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row accumulation pump, we pump it from at that time $6.68 to 45. Now, bigger accumulation. Bigger accumulation. That's why I'll be not surprised if the October, November will be green for alts. BTC dominance will drop under 50%, and alts perform. I hope so. This is disbelief. So this is not a free like time to out of the token here. This is total capitulation, total disbelief. It's bullish. Time to sell will be when we're gonna hit the A3 zone, and I will be not surprised, guys, if the size of A3 will be bigger, you know, than this one, but on the price will be here, something like this. Now on direction we at the bottom. Nice one. Market smooth close. Take a look the money power monthly. Money in was here. Maybe some insiders knew something. $8 and at 45 they fix it. We've been here at the top. Weekly, last time money in 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, $8.59, $8.75, $7 comfortable price. So nice one, nice one. So I guess yes, $26. It's so obvious, so we can hit that target. Monthly time frame, by the way, 1686. It's a monthly time frame favorable gap. Above the monthly gap also here, $80 monthly gap. So monthly time frame money power, no signal to sell or buy. You know, it's okay. Weekly also. A lot of bullish signals here. This was a money inflow. Here's a RSI bullish divergency, MACD bullish divergency. Pump 100%, not even close to the top. So it's good. And the last most important indicator, take profit here. We tested several times the buy line. Here how it played out in history. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We tested, consolidated range pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a lot of over than 10. 10 tests on a weekly time frame. So the road is open to test. Take profit line 14.14, exit line 15.92. Daily, we trade rejected at the exit line. Should we drop and test the buy line? Maybe. Nobody know. Oh, that's why I build a plan. If we talk about investment, maybe $11 it's also will be okay for accumulation now. The best zone, of course, if we're gonna drop and test the buy line, it's not unnecessary, so we will. $5.40 now, it's a buy line on a daily. 12 time frame, they buy line 5.19. So that's it. I'm more about the continuation of the trend to 26, 0.5 of the downtrend move, and if the BTC dominance will go down, top of the top, around $100. So this is the updates. I hope everything will be okay with the Horizen, so Binance will not add it again to the monitoring tag, not delete it. So this token will be still exist on centralized exchanges. And everything will be okay with that token. I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my custom America, I will show it in this video. You just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.